Namaskar. Cane-based prosthetic legs. Rise Leg, a Bangalore-based startup started by 32-year-old Arun Cherian in October 2015, create prosthetics for ampute out of cane. What's more, that can be customized based on the purpose as well as appearance. While Rise Lake is still in the R&D phase and it already has 47 happy customers, though Arun sir says that over 2000 people with disabilities have approached him. It breaks my heart, but I have to ask them to with vet because if I cannot provide them with the quality and service I envision. There is no point. I don't just want to sell prosthetic legs. I want to improve their quality of life, Arun sir says. How it began. A self-proclaimed car enthusiast, Arun Sir holds a master in mechanical engineering from Columbia University and has also worked as researcher at University at California in Berkeley. He was pursuing his PhD in developing soft wearable exoskeleton suites which provide support to disabled persons from Purdue University in 2014 when he came down to Kerala for his sister's wedding. It was then that he noticed how the cane furniture which had been their house for many years could support body weight and yet be extremely flexible and durable. Arun sir wondered then if it could be used to make prosthetic legs. With the help of local artisans he molded came into shape of leg. Arun sir also realized that out of the 1200 species of cane, he needed to identify the right kind to use in prosthetic, and here the artisan's knowledge come in handy. After designing the first prototype, Arun sir tried approaching many universities including Kerala and Cochin University to run mechanical trials. But to no avail. In July 2014, finally he was able to get to IISC in Bangalore, which provide Arun sir with machines big enough to test the prosthetic for push and pull. The results were much more promising than what he expected. In October 2014, Arun sir sought permission to start clinical trials and partner with Christian Medical College, Vellore. Challenges and success. In a little over a year that Rise Lake has been operational, there are various success stories to its credit. It began with 30-year-old Madhusudan, both whose leg had been amputated over the knee. This posed a double challenge for Arun sir and his team, which comprised a cane artisan, a prothetist and technician. Arun sir explains that while the prosthetic for person whose leg has been amputated below the knee has two components, the prosthetic foot and socket using which the stump is attached to the prosthetic. Madhusudan needed the prosthetic with need three components. Since he was an amputee above the knee, he would also need a knee joint which we needed to buy off the shelf. They were eventually able to design prosthetic legs which allowed Madhusudan to not only walk without crutches but also enable him to kick a ball by the fifth hour of wearing them. Madhusudan then began training for the TCS Marathon, earning himself the moniker of Bangalore's Blade Runner. The current challenge that Arun sir is facing, however, are sourcing socket and scaling the operation to a larger one. Arun explains that while his understanding of biomechanical locomotion helps him to get geometry of the prosthetic leg right, the socket requires medical as well as technical expertise. For a country where over a million people are physically disabled, there aren't many prosthetics to provide this service affordably. Arun sir is currently bootstrapped with the Help Association of People with Disability in Kammanhalli and a few foreign organizations like MIT Boston, providing fellowship, International Red Cross, providing institutional support. Arun sir says finding right investors is difficult. I have had investors approach me saying that they can help me mass produce prosthetic legs. That's not what I want to do. I want to follow up to ensure that personal aspirations of these people are catered to. It's hard to find takers for medical hardware with the social costs in India, Arun sir says. What does the future hold? Currently, Rise Lake is still fine-tuning the design and personalization of the prosthetic takes time with limited resources at hand. And while Arun sir wants to produce 1 lakh cane prosthetic year eventually, he says that quality of experience will continue remain his priority. Another thing Arun sir wants to ensure is that Rise Lake products remain cost effective. While the basic cane legs start from a few thousand rupees, the prosthetic leg required for sports can go up to a lakh. The cost also depends on whether the customer wants to artwork or cosmetic add-ons like textured skin to cover the leg. Arun sir is aware that he faced a long, difficult journey to realize his vision for Rise Lake. Does he ever have second thoughts about leaving behind a prolific career in robotics? I have no regrets. I have worked on a lot of cool technology, but I didn't want this become just another cool project. I am learning things I would never have in my PhD, and I am not doing this for the short term. So I have no qualms waiting for the right opportunities. Thank you.